Hello, welcome to this session. This session has objective how to make difference between equation and inequality. Okay, this is the equation and this is inequality. I remind this is an equality of first degree. Also, this is an equality of first degree. So the variable is x here and x here. Okay, so we have to do first solve this equation, and then second question, solve this inequality and deduce what is the difference between the solution between equation and inequality. Okay, we begin. We start by this equation, minus 2 times x minus 3. Okay, so I expand minus 2 times x, then minus 2 times minus 3. Minus 2 times x gives minus 2x. Minus 2 times minus 3, minus times minus will be plus. So minus 2 times minus 3 will be 6, plus 6. Okay, over 5. Equals, we have here 3 times 1, then 3 times minus x. I begin 3 times 1, 3. And 3 times minus x gives minus 3x. Over 4. Okay. Now, we have a rule here. We can apply a rule. If you have a over b equals c over d, this is equivalent gives, or equivalent double implication gives a times d equals b times c. Okay, so we apply this rule here. This is a, this is b, and this is c, and this is d. So we apply this. 4 times minus 2x plus 6, and do not forget to make parentheses. So 4 times minus 2x plus 6 equals what? 5 times this. 5 times 3 minus 3x. Okay, now I expand here and there. 4 times minus 2x, it will be minus 8x, because 4 times 2, 8, and we have minus, so minus 8x. Then 4 times 6, 24, so plus 24, equals 5 times 3, 15, and 5 times minus 3x gives minus 15x. Okay, now I will change the place, group of x with x and group of whole number with whole numbers. Now we have minus 15x here. I will move this minus 15x here. It will be, and change the sign. When you move something in the second pair and you won't move it to the first pair, you change the sign. So we have minus, it will be plus. And if you have plus like this, it will be minus. Okay, so minus 15x will be 15x minus 8x plus 15x. I write my equal here, equals, this is 15, I keep the position of, or the place of 15, no change. And this 24, we have plus here. I will change the place of 24, it will be on the right here, but change the sign, it will be minus 24. Okay, now we calculate minus 8x plus 15x plus 15x. It's same as use commutative property. You can begin by 15x. 15x minus 8x, how much? 15 minus 8 is 7, so 7x equals 15 minus 24, how much? 24 minus, we can use this 24 minus 15, and then make your minus, because this is negative number. Okay, this is negative. Then you calculate 24 minus 15. It will be 9, minus 9. Okay, now 7x equals minus 9. This is, you divide now, you divide by 7 here and 7 there. So you can bring x here. X equals minus 9 over 7. Okay, so this is the solution of this equation. This equation or this equation. Okay, now second question about inequality. Okay, how to solve this inequality. So we have minus 2 times x minus 3 over 5 less than or equal to 3 times 1 minus x over 4. So how to solve this inequality? We can reduce to the same denominator, it will be easier. So I make times 4 here times 4, and here and there times 5 times 5. Okay, to have 20 here and 20 there. And you can simplify by 20. This is the idea. So multiply 4, it will be minus 2 times 4, minus 8. So it will be minus 8 times x minus 3 over times 4 also here, do not forget, 20. Okay, less than or equal. I keep the order here. I cannot change the order because I multiplied already by a positive number. I multiply by 4. Okay, 4 is positive, so I keep the order here. Now multiply 5, 5 times 3, 15 times 1 minus x. Okay, this is x, and this is 20, because times 5. Now I have 20 here, so I can simplify by 20. It will be only like this, simplify. It will be only minus 8 times x minus 3 less than or equal to 15 times 1 minus x. Okay, now I expand. Minus 8 times x, minus 8x, minus 8 times minus 3 plus 24. Okay, less than or equal to 15 times 1, 15. 15 times minus x, minus 15x. Now we have minus 15x here. I change the place. Okay, like the last example, it will be plus 15x. So minus 8x plus 15x less than or equal to, I keep this 15 here, and I will move this minus 24, minus 24. Okay, now 15x minus 8x gives 7x less than or equal to 15 minus 24 is minus 9. Okay, now I divide by 7 here, 7 there. It will be, when I divide by a positive number, I do not change the order. So x less than or equal to minus 9 over 7. Okay, minus 9 over 7 is in mixed number. You can write it in mixed number. Minus 1, this is 7, and this is 2. Okay, because minus 7 times 1, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So we have minus 7 over 9. Okay, minus 9 over 7. This is a mixed number. How to represent this using the line number? This is my line number. I suppose 0 already is in the center here, and this is minus 1. Okay, and minus 1, 2 over 7 is so close to minus 1. okay, is here. This is minus 1. 2 over 7 is so close to minus 1. So now I will draw the solution. He wants here x less than this number. So less than this number. Less than, that means it comes on the right or on the left. So on the left here. So because less. So this is the solution. Okay. If I suppose that x more greater or equal to this value, it will be the solution on the right. Okay, not like this. And I ask about this, minus 1, 2 over 7, is included or no? Included or no? Yes, included. I make big point here. Why included? Because we have large here. Because we have this, equals. If you don't have this, if you have like this, for example, only this is, that means strict. Strict, that means this value is not included. So you will make like this, x, you make delete. That means delete this value. You make like this. But right now I have this value because I have this. Okay, I make a big point. That means this is included. So these are the solution of this inequality. Okay, thanks a lot. Goodbye.